So we got a box in the mail from E46 Tuning. We're gonna open it. The first thing is, what is this? The bushings for the shifter. Yeah, that's what it is. The bushings for the shifter base, the little foam piece. The actual shifter. This is a short shifter kit. It's an OEM or short shifter. I guess I ordered an oil filter. I'm not really sure what this is. Right here. This is a. Let me open this over here. Oh, they're transmission mounts. Transmission mounts. Got two of those. And this is another B&W part. How does this come out? Oh, it's just a sticker here, so you take the sticker off. I think this is a. What is this? The shifter. Oh, it feels nice. A 6-speed shifter. Should look good in the car.